This is me and Eduardo's trip to the Montrose Point Bird Sanctuary. People are sliding, so cute. The audio and the video here was super weird and like scratchy, so yeah, I just muted it. This is the first animal of the trip. Uh-oh. He's annoyed. Wait. Oh. Hi. That's an eastern gray squirrel. Oh. This is Montrose Beach. It was super windy and super fucking cold. But I've never seen like ice in waves before, so that was really cool. Edward kept trying to step on the ice, and this is the second time that he fell into water. And then we finally got to the sanctuary, and there were all these really cool paths going different ways, and yeah, I was just trying to avoid people. Rabbit.
Water season.
That's the view of the city, and this is the lake. We saw tons of birds over here. That's a red-breasted merganser. They have these really cool mohawks and cool serrated beaks or bills or whatever. And I was really trying to get them diving in the water like that. This is a ring-billed gull, I'm pretty sure, and I think that's a juvenile ring-billed gull. This is a squirrel trying to climb up a fence post, and this guy was super cool. I've never seen them before. This is a black-capped chickadee. I love taking pictures of these. They're super not afraid of people. There was a guy over here feeding birdseed to a bunch of animals, which was kind of annoying because he was feeding a lot of invasive species, but it was really cool seeing these cardinals. And this is the last picture we took before we moved on to the harbor. What's crazy is you can hear the ice crack. Spooky. Hey, pet him. Careful. I'm pretty sure these are domestic mallards. They seemed a lot bigger than normal mallards, and we did see wild mallards, but I just didn't take pictures. This is another red-breasted merganser, just chilling on the ice. And there was a bunch of Canada geese who were super cute. And these are all the extra pictures that I took that I didn't really want in the main part of the video. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.